Welcome to the enchanting land of Burkina Faso, a hidden gem tucked away in the heart of West Africa. This remarkable nation offers a diverse and colorful tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty that is sure to captivate any traveler seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure. From its vibrant markets to its warm and hospitable people, Burkina Faso has something for everyone. So pack your bags and get ready to explore this uncharted territory as we delve into the rich tapestry that makes up one of Africa's best-kept secrets. History of Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso, formerly known as Upper Volta, is a landlocked country located in West Africa. The history of Burkina Faso dates back to the 11th century when the Mossi people formed their first state. In the late 19th century, French colonialists arrived and claimed control over the region. During colonization, Burkina Faso was part of French West Africa until it gained independence in 1960. After gaining independence from France, there were several military coups that led to political instability throughout the country. In 1983, Captain Thomas Sankara seized power and became president after overthrowing his predecessor. He implemented various reforms aimed at improving social services such as healthcare and education while also promoting women's rights. Unfortunately, Sankara's government was short-lived due to an assassination carried out by his former friend Blaise Compaoré in 1987, who then took over as president for almost 3 decades until he too was pushed out during mass protests in October 2014. Since then, Burkina Faso has been working towards democracy with regular elections held every 5 years where citizens can vote freely for their leaders. Despite being one of the poorest countries globally today, facing significant security threats including terrorist attacks since around 2016, especially along its borders with Mali and Niger, among other challenges such as climate change-induced droughts affecting its agriculture-dependent economy. The people of Burkina Faso. The people of Burkina Faso are diverse and vibrant, with over 60 ethnic groups residing in the country. The Mossi tribe is the largest and most dominant group, accounting for roughly 40% of the population. Other notable tribes include the Bobo, Fulani, Gurunzi and Senufo. Despite facing numerous challenges such as poverty and political instability, Burkina Faso's people remain resilient and welcoming to outsiders. They take pride in their traditional dances, music and crafts which reflect their rich cultural heritage. One unique aspect of Burkinabe society is its emphasis on communal values rather than individualism. This is evident in their social structure where extended families live together in compounds known as maisons courantes, sharing resources like food and water. In recent years, Burkina Faso has experienced an influx of refugees from neighboring countries due to violence and conflict. The government has responded by implementing policies that prioritize inclusivity towards these vulnerable populations. The people of Burkina Faso embody a strong sense of community spirit despite facing significant hardships. Their resilience serves as an inspiration to those seeking to learn more about African culture beyond stereotypes portrayed by mainstream media. The culture of Burkina Faso. The culture of Burkina Faso is rich and diverse, reflecting the country's ethnic and linguistic diversity. Music and dance are an integral part of the culture, with traditional instruments such as the balafon, a type of xylophone, and the djembe, a type of drum, often used in performances. Burkina Faso is also known for its vibrant textile industry. The Mossi people, who make up a large portion of the population, are particularly renowned for their weaving skills. They use locally grown cotton to create intricate patterns on fabrics that are then made into clothing or home furnishings. Another important aspect of Burkinabe culture is storytelling. Griots, or oral historians, play a significant role in preserving the history and traditions of various ethnic groups through their songs and stories. Religion also plays a major role in Burkinabe society. While Islam is practiced by about 60% of the population, many people also follow traditional African religions or Christianity. Burkina Faso's cultural heritage is something to be celebrated and cherished. Despite facing many challenges over the years, including colonization and political instability, its people have managed to maintain a strong sense of identity rooted in their customs and traditions. Burkina Faso today. Burkina Faso has made significant strides in recent years, particularly in the areas of economic development and democratic governance. With a population of approximately 20 million people, Burkina Faso is one of the poorest countries in Africa, but it has seen steady growth over the past decade. The government has made a concerted effort to improve infrastructure throughout the country by investing heavily in roads, sanitation systems, and energy production. One notable project is the construction of a new hydroelectric dam on the Volta River that will provide electricity to millions of people. Despite these positive developments, Burkina Faso still faces many challenges. The country continues to struggle with high levels of poverty and unemployment. In addition, security concerns have increased due to terrorist attacks by extremist groups operating in neighboring countries. Nevertheless, Burkina Faso remains resilient and determined to overcome these obstacles. The government is committed to ensuring that all citizens have access to basic services such as healthcare and education. There are also many NGOs working tirelessly across various sectors to support communities most affected by poverty and conflict. Though there can be no doubt that Burkina Faso is a nation with enormous potential for growth both economically and socially speaking if given enough time and opportunity. Burkina Faso is a landlocked country located in West Africa with a rich history and culture. From its early days as part of the Mossi Kingdoms to its independence from France in 1960, Burkina Faso has undergone significant changes throughout the years. Despite facing challenges such as poverty and political instability, the people of Burkina Faso have maintained their vibrant traditions, including music, dance, and art. Many visitors are drawn to this unique culture along with the natural beauty of its landscapes. As Burkina Faso continues to develop and grow, it remains an important player in Africa's economy and politics. With a young population eager for change and innovation, there is much potential for growth in this fascinating country. Whether you're interested in exploring ancient ruins or experiencing modern urban life, Burkina Faso offers something for everyone. So why not add this remarkable destination to your travel bucket list?